Hi everybody, my name is Jewel and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. Tuesday, the 9th of February, 2021. Wishing each of you a very good day. As we take a look at the weather, we got all kind of things going on. Look at this bitter cold Arctic air all through these regions here, folks. And you know what? It's looking like it's going to remain entrenched across the north central U.S. for the upcoming week, while it's going to slowly expand southward and it's going to come down even further. It'll be in Texas probably by the end of the week or the first of next week. This cold air is coming on down. I have even seen where there's some possible freezing rain down here in the very southern tip. It's going to get cold. Also, it's going to get very cold over in Tennessee, and it will progress by Sunday and Monday over to the coastline of North Carolina. What you're looking at right here, these are the temps, maximum temps, looking like what it's going to be like for today. As you can see, we have some mighty cold ones out there, 23, and it's even colder than that with the wind chill. This is the Fahrenheit temps over in northeastern Oklahoma, Iowa, 9, 8, 7. We come up pretty close to Chicago, around 14. It's going to feel even colder though, folks. I am just telling you, as we look over into Long Island, you should be around 36 above freezing today. But it's going to be cold everywhere except the sweet spot of Florida. You guys are going to have some 80-degree readings here. And over in Atlanta, you should be in the 60s. That goes for Alabama as well as Mississippi, with some 70s going down from Mississippi into Louisiana. When it comes to the coldest temps within the next 24 hours tonight, as we look across the lower 48, you can see up in here, minus 17, minus 16. God be with these people. How do they breathe that cold, cold air? Please stay in. Going to be cold everywhere, going all the way down to Nebraska, minus 18, Iowa, minus 18, minus 10. It's got around 18 up here in northeastern Oklahoma. But folks, this is not the wind chill. Okay, this is just the Fahrenheit temperatures. It's going to feel a whole lot colder than anything you've been through in a while. So please bundle up, stay warm as you can. Now we've got some light to moderate snow likely across the northeast, as you can see right here, and all the way up into New England today within the next 24 hours. Now this should be light to moderate snow likely across the northeast and New England today within the next 24 hours. Within the next 24 hours, this is for today and tonight, where should the most significant ice be? Down in southern Missouri, down in southern Illinois, and it's going to start moving into western Kentucky. This is all within the next 24 hours, and this significant ice storm I talked about last evening is still possible Wednesday into Thursday from the mid-Mississippi Valley to the Ohio Valley. Right quickly, I want to hop up to Sunday coming up. Boy, Sunday is going to be a killer for temperatures. Now, this is the wind chill, and it's for Sunday the 14th. We'll come down here, minus 22 in northeastern Oklahoma. Look at this, folks. Cold, cold, cold. Panhandle of Texas, minus 24. Not in Houston, but it's sinking on down, getting closer, minus 8. Up around the Dallas area, it's going to be cold, cold. This is the wind chill. This is not the Fahrenheit. This is the wind chill. Sunday, Valentine's Day. Snuggle up with your loved one. It's going to be cold. Moving in Iowa, it's going to feel like minus 42 in places. minus 42, minus 46, 48. Some of Wisconsin over here, the western sections, minus 31. As we move over to Indiana, minus 11. Some places even 0. Moving down, let's see what western Tennessee's looking like. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 7. Oh my goodness, folks, it's going to be so cold. Please go ahead and prepare the 3 P's. People, pipes, and pets. Make sure you stay in. Make sure your pipes are taken care of. Make sure your pets are taken care of. And check on the elderly and the handicapped and see if they need anything if you're going to the store. If you're into daily weather content and you like a weather forecast every day, please subscribe, click that bell, and check off all to ensure you get all my latest weather videos. I would appreciate it so much, and thank you in advance. I have received some pictures I haven't put up yet, but I'm going to just as soon as I can, and thank you guys for sending them in. Here we have tropical tidbits, NAM map from the model GFS. Let's turn it on right quickly and see what's happening. This is for the next 2.5 to 3 days. This cold and active weather pattern, it's going to persist throughout the next several days across the county, with only a few lucky locations across the southeast and southwest remaining warm and dry, setting the stage for another frigid February day today, with brutally cold Arctic high-pressure system located across the north-central United States. Wind chills as low as minus 40 to 50 degrees can be found across the northern portions of the northern plains and the upper Midwest. High temperatures will struggle to make it above 0 from Montana to Minnesota through next week almost, you might as well say. It's just going to be cold and cold. Now, the lows in the negative teens and negative 20s due to the dangerous combination of this very cold temperatures and light wind. There are wind chill warnings and advisories that stretch across 12 different states. From northern central plains area to the Midwest, the temperatures well below average also reach southward to the southern plains. Then they're going to extend to the upper Ohio Valley. Now, by Thursday, this cold air mass is expected to ooze south across more of the south central U.S. as well as the Pacific Northwest. So, folks, more than likely what I'm trying to say is you're going to see a difference in temperature drops everywhere the further we go through the week. Now, the cold air in place is 2 separate waves of wintry precipitation that are in them, and they are set to impact areas from the southern plains to New England through Thursday. Starting with today, as I showed you earlier, an area of low pressure is forecast to develop over the Ohio Valley this morning and move toward New England coastline by tonight. Now, this should be just light to moderate snow, should be found to the north of the low and affect the regions across the interior northeast and New England. 3 to 6 inches of snow could be found here and lead to some isolated travel disturbances. Now, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings, they're issued. Meanwhile, along we have an associated stationary front. Light freezing rain may cause slippery conditions from central Oklahoma to western Kentucky today. I showed you that also. Now, by tomorrow, Wednesday, precipitation is expected to break out to the north of the same frontal boundary, and it could possibly produce a more noteworthy freezing rain issue. A more noteworthy freezing rain issues could come out of this. Why? Shallow cold air at the surface being pumped in from the Arctic air mass over the north central U.S. That's what's going to help set the stage for this potentially significant ice storm from the southern plains to the mid-Mississippi and Ohio valleys. Freezing rain should develop early Wednesday across northern Arkansas and quickly spread east-northeast to the Ohio Valley by Wednesday afternoon. Widespread ice accretion greater than 1/10 of an inch will be found across the region by Thursday morning. with over a quarter-inch possible in northeast Arkansas. By later in the day Thursday, local amounts exceeding a half-inch of freezing rain will be possible between northern Arkansas and western West Virginia. Now, power outages, scattered tree damage, all of this is likely in these areas. Slightly to the north, areas of light snow will be found across the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic throughout Wednesday and Thursday, and heavier snowfall amounts will be possible across sections of Maryland and northern Virginia starting Wednesday night, which may lead to hazardous travel conditions. That's check of your weather. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thanks so much for watching and everything you guys do for me. I love you for it, and I appreciate it very, very much. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Please share this with your friends, family, and on your social media to help me keep people aware and safe of what might be coming their way. Thanks for watching.